What's up, everybody? This is me, Tapping the Toy Guy. This gonna be a blog at the second towards the rest of my area. Not made smooth curvy here, but from what I've heard from the people who work at the Toys R Us I normally go to, they said they're gonna still be stocking up on stuff until the warehouse is clear out. From what I heard. Hopefully they stock up in more of made smooth curvy, but I see one made smooth pink top. I'm not even sure who even needs this body now. They have some African American soccer players, but since this is 10% off, I'm not gonna sweat it. But somebody did recommend that I get that, and that is the dark skin Kira scope. But I wonder they still got that. This the fashion set that Gypsy reviewed. I think they might still have some of these left at the other Toys R Us I go to, but I'm just not impressed with this 10% off period, to be honest with you all. I just hope they got more Barbie here, but I still don't have this fellow yet. After I leave here, I may go to the other Walmart that I may go to the other Walmart here, cause the Walmart by my house still ain't restocked the dark skin made smooth hiker yet. I not even blame Walmart for that, because many people in that area still haven't found that one. So that I would blame Mattel for that one. But I'm looking through these Tamagotchi minis. Do I see the blue flock one? Well, I see My World. But I wonder they have the My World vending machine. Nope, all I see is the photo booth. Oh, I haven't seen this Lala Loopsy in a minute. Even that Toys R Us, this Toys R Us is one of the ones that sell American Girl dolls. And those are part of the liquidation sale too, but those, I don't think those are going anywhere anytime soon, because they're still at 10% off. And this store has lots of baby alive. And I found out that Toys R Us stopped price matching. But there's another bummer, because even with the 10% off, a lot of this stuff is still high. Because it's Toys R Us, but when I'm gonna tell y'all this, when I was younger, we had a Toys R Us that was closer to us, but we never went there because the prices was high then. And that Toys R Us closed at the end of 2002/early 2003. And then again, when I was younger, I always used to try to go to KB Toys then, because that used to be in the mall we always go to when I was a kid, and that was my go-to toy store instead of Toys R Us. But I am kind of glad that they're bringing KB Toys back, from what I heard on social media. And I hope that's a fact. If they do bring KB Toys back, if they do, I wonder what it's gonna look like. I think I may look for some Black Panther. But after I leave here, I am going to Tuesday morning and second Charles just to see what they got. I don't see no Black Panther nothing anywhere. I may buy one of these yokai watches later on down the road for my giveaway. Yeah, they might have bought everything Black Panther. Well, I seen one Black Panther action figure up there, but that's not the one I want. I see WWE superstars. I mean the Divas dolls, but I'm finna end this here.